water dripping out. No water on this side either. So this is my 2015 Colorado. I'm having issues with water leaking in past the driver's side door seals, and it fills my whole door with water. It's been doing it for 3 months. I was looking at the truck just today because it's bugging me so much with all this water coming in on the driver's side door. One thing I noticed, and I think this is the root cause of the issue, this is the passenger side. If you look down, there's this little, I guess, flange or nipple right here on the seal. When you close your door, you're looking in there, you can see that little flange right inside there. Just to give you an idea, the gap between my door and the truck easily fits my key inside there. So there's plenty of room and play in there. And you can see down the channel, and that little flange right there deflects water out from the truck. So, if you can do this, when you pour water on the truck, you see the water deflecting right off that little finger. It goes down the channel and pours out. On the driver's side of the truck, that gap is completely different. I can't fit my key in there, and water's not able to follow that channel on the seal, and that flange is kind of bypassed. And then when you look in right above your mirror, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a gap, and it lets water go right in past the seal and fill inside the door. So when you pour water on it, it goes straight into the truck. So I think this has to do more with an alignment issue with the door versus the actual design of the seal.